First, we need to connect the inverter battery terminals using battery cables. Start from master 1 to connect the negative terminal of the battery. Now the negative terminals of the 3 machines have been connected. Start from master 1 to connect the positive terminal of the battery. Now both the positive and negative terminals of the battery are connected. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Set up 3-phase parallel operation. Turn off the inverter. Connect the load using the load connection cable. Connect the neutral wires of the 3 inverters. Connect the parallel cables of the 3 machines. Connect the load side of the inverter. Turn on the inverter again. Use a multimeter to measure the 3-phase voltage of M1, M2, and M3. Each inverter is connected to a load and ready to operate. Turn on the load. The load is running smoothly, and the parallel operation is successful.